So this guy is going to show us how he plays worship guitar in church. Let's go. What's the first thing you do?
Okay, so we go back to building. First, start with ambience. So, for example, when the keyboard is already giving the vocalist the key, you understand? This is how it sounds. All you need to do is just play simple melodies around the do chord here. So for example, you can use for example, for songs like you are Alpha
and Omega, we worship you, alone. You are worthy to be praised.
So what you need to do is sing song.
You are Alpha and Omega, we worship you, alone. You are worthy to be praised. Oh, you are Alpha and Omega, we worship you, our Lord. You are worthy to be praised.
So this is how you keep playing calm,
Okay.
to when the music begins to build. So I'll show you something on how you come in with your distortion.
Okay.
Now, how to come in with your distortion is let me take the chorus.
Okay.
Let me show them.
So you are Alpha and Omega, we worship you, our Lord. You are worthy to be.
So take the
Oh, we
chorus.
give you all. We give you all. The we worship you, our Lord. You are worthy to be praised. We give you all. We give you all. We worship you, our Lord. You are worthy to be. All right.
Yeah. So from this kind of song, if they move to song like hey yeah,
Yeah.
hey yeah. So now you've already reached the peak. You don't need to start building again.
Okay.
You understand? So what you do with your same distortion, you just continue with muted note. So let's take we
Worship you, our Lord. You are worthy to be praised. So the next song, hey yeah, yeah, hey yeah, yeah, hey yeah, hey yeah, hey yeah, hey yeah, hey. Hey ya, hey ya, hey ya, hey ya, hey ya, hey ya, hey. Awesome. I wanted to carry guitar new so that I give you.
that are in the chord. You understand? So that it will sound clean. You understand? So for example, now when you now give me solo.
Okay. Yeah, space to solo.
Yeah. So
same song.
Yeah, same song.
Higher octave.
I didn't move to the higher octave yet because you first build your solo. You understand? Play with sweet melodies first. You understand? Then before scales start coming into your head.
Okay.
You understand? So I still played around the song in my solo. So let's
play. Say.
You understand? So you don't need to start all this at the beginning of the solo. You understand? You first build, and then get to this point.
Okay, so this is Jeff. Jeff has been showing us a lot on how to play worship in church, worship and praise. And if you're enjoying these tutorials, I have linked his channel below. Just follow him for more videos like this. And we're going to show you how to do more stuff around praise and worship like this. So see you in the next one. If you haven't subscribed, please do, so that you get posted when next we put up videos like this. Cheers.